Live from Orlando, Florida, I'm Adrian Manns at the Money Show. I'm here with Cotton Graham. He is one of the top 3 drillers in the state of Texas, right?
Yes, sir.
And I'm real interested in what you were able to accomplish in 2018 and sort of where you see the business going over the next couple of years.
Very good. I appreciate that. You know, in 2018 and 2019, back-to-back years, we were in the top 3 drillers in the state of Texas for conventional oil wells. We're competing against companies that are private equity companies, and G2 Petroleum specializes in pulling capital together through private investors, allowing private investors to maximize their tax benefits in participating in direct participation domestic oil programs. And like I said, my operating company, Newport Operating, in 2018 and 19, we were the top 3 drillers in the state of Texas. We drilled over 120 wells in the last 3 years, and by being able to do that and pass along tax benefits and aggressive monthly income to our investors, it's been a pretty powerful thing.
So, and you've been in business for what, 25 years, we said?
G2 Petroleum is a 12-year-old business.
Yeah.
I started it in 2008 when prices were at the bottom of the market, and I've had a history of starting companies when oil prices are at the bottom of the market. Like I said, developing leases, drilling wells, increasing the value of properties, and when oil prices move up to a higher price, call it $75, $80 a barrel, start looking for points to exit the market and cash out.
So how'd you get started? Let me ask you that. This is going to be interesting for a lot of people. 25 years ago, how'd you wind up in the oil business?
25 years ago, I was coming out of the Navy. I served in the U.S. Navy for 4 years, and coming out of the Navy, I was looking for a way to make some money. Didn't have a formal education, and ran into a partner of mine that had just started a business in the business, such as cold calling, raising capital, putting deals together. So I started on the ground floor, cold calling, cultivated relationships with deal makers, geologists, landmen, everybody that it takes to facilitate creating a deal, drilling a project, and like I said, managing it through the life cycle of the well. So, you know, I started on the ground floor, went to the School of Hard Knocks, and learned a lot of lessons along the way. But I've been blessed and have been able to create a team that has enabled us to strategically locate oil leases, historically productive oil leases, go back in and drill and develop those leases, and continue to increase the value and generate aggressive monthly income and provide American energy independence, which I'm very proud to be able to do. That's
fantastic. That's an American success story right there is what that is. And you know, to go from the Navy to a top producer,
yes, sir,
and reduce dependence on foreign oil is really a fantastic accomplishment. Congratulations.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, so one more time, a bunch of educational resources on your website about what it is that you do. You want to tell everybody how to get a hold of you?
If you go to g2petroleum.com, there's plenty of information there. Contact us page. You can see pictures, videos of wells that we've drilled, things that are happening in our company at this present time. We've got a lot of very cool animated videos that show you every step of the process, from how you drill a well to how you complete a well, what water flooding is, what happens over the life cycle of a well. So I encourage you to check it out, g2petroleum.com. There's a lot of powerful information there, and if you're a private investor and you're looking for ways to minimize your tax burden at the end of the year, but more importantly, invest in something that can generate very aggressive monthly income and overall returns, I encourage you to check out what we're doing. G2petroleum.com. Newport Operating, my operating company, was in the top 3 drillers in the last 2 years, 2018 and 19, and we've got some big things on the horizon. Check it out.
It's fantastic. I know I'm going to check it out. Cotton, thanks for joining me.
All right, I
appreciate your time today.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right, and for the Money Show, this has been Adrian Manns, live from Orlando, Florida.